was muting and I started here. My brother, no brother, no. Anyways, I'm gonna go outside, play with Sonic. I'm gonna go outside and play with Sonic. I'm going outside to play with Sonic, Mom. That's all I want to do. Just sit out here, talk to you guys, and probably use the guns again. There's a spider. If you guys can see that way. Oh no, the camera's upside down. Right there. Alright, that was a spider. Hey guys. What? I'm gonna go hide. What? This is me hiding from the trying to get me. We're still friends. Well, we haven't been hospital only on my birthday. Okay, so I'm probably gonna make a video on my birthday. This is a big phone. I mean, not phone, camera. But I also got tablet, and I keep on calling my tablet phone. But really, it's just a tablet. It's a massive. I like this thing. They're good. I'm gonna try to see what my brother's doing. Still got that rig from the video. Gun bandits and caught lizard on baby lizard camera. Feel bad for Mossy, but let's put Sonic right here. Now let's find a Mossy 2.0. Peace, Moss. Okay, Mossy 2.0. This is Mossy 2.0. Like him? He's a piece of moss. Shoot, you probably can't see anything because there's a black blender there. I hear someone, so I'm probably gonna have to. I'm gonna check who that is. There's someone over here. I heard a little kid. Voila! Who did this? Someone had to do that just now because I heard like this. Or this. I either heard this or this. Yeah, the car, this is what, that definitely has the noise I heard. Anything you can see inside there? It's the garage. What was that? I think that was my Mortal Kombat. Oh. But I also heard. Kind of sound like Donald Duck. No, I mean Donald Duck. I think my clubhouse name is going to change. This is it? Oh. Something on my eyes. I'm gonna have to. My house anyway. This is my point.
I was just saying where you were.
I was outside there and then
No, you're not.
in the house.
Listen. Do not go outside. If you want to play outside, it's fine if you're here on the back porch. But don't go outside. You hear me?
Maybe. Yeah, that's not child friendly. No. No. No way. No. It's a lizard. Where do you go? There's a little lizard. Where do you go? He's not there. Ah, that hurt. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Anyways, heard some weird noises. Yep. Who's this? Oh, this is Iron Man. And then there's Iron Man and Spider-Man. Woo! And then time for Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Woo! Ha ha! Yeah, it's actually pretty weird. Yeah. Ah! I feel water. Sonic.